Subscribe now for update video every day.
Description of Nikko and Yumoto Onsen Walking Tour. Japaniko National Park is just 125 kilometers from Tokyo in the Tochigi Prefecture where, after a quick train ride from the busy metropolis, you will discover a stunning mountainous landscape, with ancient villages and UNESCO-protected ancient heritage. This heritage dates back to the rule of Ieyasu, first shogun of the Tokugawa clan in the 1600s. And your starting point of Nikko Town is home to mausoleum with a shrine that is said to be Japan's most decorative. Nikko Town is gateway to the national park, where you can walk through the tranquil Toku-Nikko Plains, with views of Mount Mitsudake and Mount Aragara. Discover trails through ancient forests with secret waterfall spots such as the Ryusu and Udaiki Falls, or walk along the peaceful Yukawa River. Following this itinerary, you spend 3 nights at traditional Japanese inns, all with their own onsen hot spring baths, such as at Nikko Yumoto Onsen, a village famous for its proliferation of hot springs.